And sorry for being late. Actually, I was busy in something in my coursework. So sorry, really sorry for that. Okay. So, ma'am Nilufar, you can start recording, and I am just starting the lesson. Okay. So, dear student, today we will be covering the exponents and the roots. Exponents and roots. Till now, we have covered the previous topics. You are seeing the. Let me take the blue pen. Okay. So we have covered the number sense and basic operation, fraction and decimals, and percentages. So today we will focus on exponents and the roots. Okay. So dear student, we will start from basic. Okay, it's the main thing in mathematics or in any subject of science. One must start from the basics. Okay, because without knowing the fundamental or basic thing, we cannot proceed further. But if we proceed further and our basic concept is not clear, then our concept will be weak and our methodology will be weak, and we can be countered anytime and from anyone. So it's a mathematics is a very conceptual thing or very natural thing. Mathematics comes from the nature basically. Okay, it comes from the nature, and it's a very easy thing. We see all the things of the science and mathematics in our daily life. So let me talk about the exponents. Okay, let the screen is large. Okay, exponent. We are in the unit number 1. The name of the unit number 1 is the number system. Okay, so exponent is basically comes under the numbers. Okay, this is comes under the in the unit number 1, which is number system. Number system is the unit number 1. Number system. So, dear students, we must know first. We must know basically what is exponents. The word exponent, from where does it come, and what comes to our mind when we hear about the exponent. Okay. So exponent is the word of English. Okay, English. Yeah, I think someone is on a question. Okay, power. So exponent mean power. Yes, Sadika. It's the one meaning of the power. Yes, Atifa, what you are saying?
So yes, the synonym of exponent is power, and if it doesn't bother you, I want to define it. Can
Yes,
I?
yes, please. Yes, please define.
Okay, so in terms of mathematics, exponent means that how many times a number is actually multiplied by itself. So it is the simplest definition of it.
Yes, very good. Exactly. Exactly. Thank you for defining. So, dear student, actually, the exponent, in other words, uh, we can also say that exponent is power. Exponent is power. And what is meant by the power in mathematics? What is meant by the power in mathematics? But in daily life, we see that the if two if two children, let me draw the children. There are two childs, okay, and one threw this is a stone, okay, stone. This threw the stone to here, and there is another child who threw this same stone to the here. So who has the greater power, A or B? So it's a very clear thing that A has a greater power. This power is greater. The power of A is let me hear. Power is greater or larger. Okay, power is greater, and there relatively according to A, the power of B is low. Let me write it low. So what actually mean by this? We say in our daily life like this. Okay, we say that this child the child number A has the greater power because he throw the stone to a larger distance. Okay, this stone, let me try if you want clearly. This stone cover the larger distance. Okay, sorry. This stone cover the larger distance. Okay, it drop here and it drops here. So this is the power in our daily life. Another way of the power is we can think about in real life, like we have a friend and he never got ill. Okay, and we say that his power is greater. Okay, he is a powerful man. Okay, okay, that's the thing. In politics, in a politician, we said that this politician is very powerful because he has uh, a larger number of votes. So this is the meaning of power in our daily life. But here in mathematics, what we actually uh, meant by that. Okay, so there is an also power of this, the power of man here. Okay, I explain here the power of humans. This is the power of humans. Please note the thing. It is a very important thing, and don't try to forget it. Okay, please. You can also note this is a very important thing. Okay, and also this section is also very important in the name of exponents, in the name of exponents. Okay, because GD exam, it there are a lot of sections from this. Okay, in GD exam. Exponent. Okay, let me write again. The politician. Again, this is the example of power of humans. The politicians which have more votes, which have more votes, has a more power. So this is the meaning of power in the text of like human beings or in daily life. But here in our topic, the power is what we are discussing the power of numbers actually. Okay, this is a very important thing. Power of numbers. Let me write it with the red pen. Okay. Now this is the power of numbers. Numbers. Okay. And the power is the word of English, and in Urdu it's meaning takat. I mean, like in Pashto, it's also mean takat. So it's the number, power of the number. So what is number? We learned it. Okay, the number we learned about the number in our previous classes. What is the number? There are total 6 type of numbers. Okay, we studied the number system in our for lecture number 1. So we know that we know very clearly that what is number. Okay, 2 is number, 3 is number, 5 is number, minus 1 is number, minus 2 is number, 2.005 is number, 1 by 2 is number, 2 by 3 is number, 7 divided by 8 is number. Like there are different type of numbers. Okay, I am repeating all of those. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 by 8, minus 9 by 10, minus 1000 by 1000, minus 5000 by 6000. It is all the numbers. Okay, and the power of numbers. So actually, what is meant by the power of number? Okay, we will see that thing. So in mathematics, the power of number means we actually see these things. This is number 3. Okay, so what is the power of this number? Okay, so if you don't see anything with the number, you will see that the power of number is 1. This 3 has the by default power of 1. One is, let me write here the very important sentence. Every number, I will write here with a red pen. Okay, every number okay, every number has the by default power of 1. So this is 5. Okay, this is 5. So Hadia, tell me what is the power of this number which is 5? Hadia, yes please. Asif Akhiri. Hadia will tell us. Okay, Hadia, are you here or not? Okay. Okay. Auria, Auria, can you tell us what is the number of this number? What is the power of this number, which is 5? Auria.
Yes, teacher,
Yes, yes.
I just
Yes.
have
Okay.
the power of number 5 is 1.
Okay, very good. Uh, so, dear student, the number which have no any power and anything written with it, then by default power is 1. Okay, so it's a very important thing. This is 1. Okay, the power of this number. So you don't have to write the 1 in this. It is not necessary to write the 1 with this number. We are actually writing the 1 with the with for understanding. Like 6, what is the power? Power is 1. Like 7, what is the power? Power is 1. And what is 10? Power is 1 1 1. So we don't have to write 1, but for understanding we can write the number 1. Okay, so power of number, we are talking about the power of number. Power of number. I told you that if any number you in the written in its simple form, then by default power is 1. But what we say about the if a number, if you have a number like 2, let me write that 2 is in simple way. Okay, 2. If we have 2, and the this is the uh, 2. Okay. Okay, now this is a very important thing. Okay, so we will say the power of 2 is uh, the power of 2 is, let me write here, the power of 2 is 2. Okay, we will say like that. Okay, so what actually we get from this, let me write with the red pen. Okay, it means that it means that 2 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, actually the thing is, if we see the number in this form like 3 raised to the power 2, we will say that the number is 3, and this 3 will be multiplied by itself. Okay, by 2 times. 3 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, 2 times. Okay, this is the meaning of this thing. Okay, and we will also say that this is the exponent. Okay, exponent. Exponent is a simple vocabulary. It's not a very difficult thing. Exponent. It's also clear from it's a wording. Okay, exp and exponents. Okay, this is the meaning of exponent. Okay, so let me ask you one thing from you people. If we say that this for you 3, so the Najiba will explain this, what is meaning by this thing. Okay, Najiba, are you here? No, Najiba, we want to hear from Najiba. If she is, let me check here if she is here or not. Yes, Najiba, are you here or not? Najiba. Okay. So
Yes, teacher.
yes, can you explain this thing? What is meant by this 5 power 3?
We will multiply 5 3 times by itself.
Okay, very good. Excellent. So dear student, this is the meaning of the power. Okay, we multiply the 5 by itself 3 times. Okay, and how we will do this? We do this by like this. Okay, we write 5 okay, and we write multiplication sign. Again 5, and we write multiplication sign. Again 5, but and then, and there are three times. Okay, this is three times. 1, 2, and three times. Okay, we multiplied 5. We multiply 5 with itself three times. Okay, this is the this is what actually the meaning of this thing. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so the answer, we will actually do this. Yes, I think someone is asking question. It's 1 to 5. Yes, very good. Sadiq Shiba Azad, very good. Shiba Azad is very active, and I appreciate your presence and activeness in the class. Thank you for answer. So, dear student, how will we do that? We will actually multiply. Actually, we will do this step by step. Please, I am suggesting you people that step by step, do this step by step, because if you if you get the multiplication which is lengthy, then how will you do that directly? Okay, so step by step is the good way. Okay, so first we will take the 5 by 5, 5 multiplied by 5. So this gives us what? This gives us 25. Okay, now, 25, this thing will be what? This thing will be 25. 5 multiplied by 5, and again one 5 is remaining. So we will multiply by this 5 by 25 by multiply with 5. Okay, so what will we get actually? So if we did, there are few students, I think few students may not know the multiplication directly, so I want to do it for them in the little explanation. Okay, this 25, and this is the 5. Okay, this will be multiplication. We will do multiplication like this. 5 multiplied by 5 is what? 25. Place 5 here, and the 2 will be gone here. Okay, so what is 5 cross 2 is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is, this is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so we will get the 12. So the answer is 125. Answer is 125. 125 and 125. So this is the actually the thing. Okay, 5 raised to the power 3 is this. Okay, 125. So this is a very easy task, I think. Okay, it's not a very boring thing or difficult thing. Okay, so dear students, I want all of you to do a little bit work. Okay, so please try this one. Okay, 6 power 3. Okay, please do it. Okay, quickly. Okay, and send, and try to send the picture, and you cannot send the picture, you can write answer the answer in the chat. Okay, please do it quickly. And don't use calculator, please, dear student. You, no, don't directly send the answer. Okay, please do a little bit explanation. Okay, a little bit, do it by step in the message. Write the message, and write the step by step answer. Okay, don't yes, Atifa write very good. Okay. Okay, in today class, I see that there are many students. I think I am noting that the students are new. Okay, I don't know these names. I don't see these name before. Okay, so I actually want to confirm one thing, that if they know the basic multiplication or not. Let me write this in this form, and I will ask the question from the new student. Okay, the old students will not speak. Okay, please let me write here. 6 multiplied by 6 is what? It is 36. And now we multiply by 36 by 6. So the new student will tell me they know the multiplication directly or not, and they want to following the procedure of like this, like 36 and 6. So tell me the who are new today. Yes, Hasti Fakiri. Yes, we know that. Okay, very good. And let me ask from one another student who are new. Okay, Marwan Nero. I think you are new student. Okay. Marwan Nero, are you here? Are you hearing me? Okay, Muslima Muzda. Do you know how to multiply it?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, good.
Um, 6 times 6 is going to be 36. We have 3 on the top, and we write 6. And 6 times 3 going to be 18. And then we do, like, we add them to each other. Then the answer going to be 126. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay, no problem, dear. Okay, that's good that you people know the multiplication methodology. So, dear student, if any, there are 16 students present in the class. Okay, if anyone don't know the multiplication procedure and find difficulty in the multiplication, please let me know. Or you can also DM me, or you can also ask me during the class, or you can send me the message also. So I want you people to learn this basic thing. Okay, this is the very basic multiplication. Like these are the third or fourth class multiplication. Okay, and I am
Um,
assuming all
Sorry,
of you that
sir. But I'm
no
not
problem.
sure about the
No,
answer.
okay, no problem. You told me a very good answer. You know the methodology. Okay, I am asking for another student also. Okay, uh, I am asking for other. So, dear student, we can move. We will move forward further. Okay. So this is the we learn and Atifa told us the exponent. What are the exponents? And it means actually the powers. Okay. And what we powers we know that the power of number. Okay. Power of power of number. Okay, this is a very important thing. Okay, in the whole science, in the whole exam, in the whole life, please note one thing: if you hear the word of exponent or the word of power in the word of mathematics, then please then your mind should be then your mind should be going towards the this topic. Okay. uh, Okay, let me check the ma'am is Nilufar is also taking the class. Okay, it's 216. Okay, let me check me 6 multiplied by 6 36 and 6 multiplied by 6. Oh, sorry. Actually, uh, so that's very good and that the students are not active, but ma'am Nilufar are active than the student. Okay, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Okay, 6 multiplied by 6 is what? This is 36 and we will place this 6. Okay, and now the 3
Yeah, I
of the
was saying the
36 will,
same thing.
yes, very good. Okay, so the 3 of the 36 will be moved to the this place, and now 6 multiplied by 3 is what? It is 18, and 18 plus 3 is what? 18 plus 3. So 18 plus 3 is what? It is 21. Okay, so we will get the 216 answer. Okay, it is the 216. Okay, very good. And now the student, actually I was talking about the exponent. Okay, so I am let me write the general form of the exponent. In general, we can write that this we can write this thing like that. Okay, so a and raised to the power m. What is this? This is any number. A belongs to any number system, and m belongs to any number system. Let me write let me write it in more mathematical form. In general, we can also you can also take b c d e f g any number in the place of a. Okay, it's your choice, no problem. I am just randomly taking the alphabet randomly. Okay, for generality. Okay, for generality, this is a, and we will we said that a is any number. Okay, and this is m, and we say that the m is any number. Okay, m is any number. So what is m is any number. So let me write here: a belongs to any number system, any number system or number family. Let me write here: system is also a family. Okay, actually we studied subsequently the, let me write here, number system or family. So we in the previous lecture, I think the most of students, there are new students, and they were not present in the first lecture. Okay, so I want the Atifa. Atifa, can you tell us the how many number system we have studied?
Okay, teacher. So we have studied the natural numbers, real numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and yeah, real numbers included all of these numbers. We studied these, teacher.
Okay, so how much they are becoming? 5 or 6?
I'm sorry, what?
How,
Oh, the
how
number
much?
of them.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
number of them.
I think it was 6 or maybe 7. I don't remember, sorry.
Okay. So, dear students, I think we study these 6 number of systems. Okay. So there are in mathematics or in whole science. Okay. The number means not that we in our daily life we see the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or something. So these are actually not just a number. Okay. There are many type of numbers in mathematics. Like in this class for GED exam, we have just studied the six system for the numbers. Okay, let me write it the 6 systems or 6 families. Okay, no problem. Six systems. We study the 6 system of the numbers, and every system gives us the different type of number. Like the -1 is belong to the different system, and 1 belongs to the different system. Okay, 1 is whole number, and 1 is the natural number, but -1 is what? -1 is an integer. Okay, so it's all about the number systems. Okay, if any student find difficulty in the um, in identifying the number system, then please contact me. Okay, or you can ask during the class. But this is a very basic thing. Okay, 6 we have studied. Let me write again here. Natural. These are all the type of number. These are very easy thing, not very difficult, because integers and the natural whole integer, rational and irrational, 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 and but these are all we studied that these are all, but let me write here. These are all belongs to the what? These are all belongs to the category of real numbers. Okay, real numbers. Every number in the mathematics, you see that it is you see this is a real number. Okay, so these are all the subfamilies or subcategories or subsystems of the real numbers. Okay, real numbers. So this is the thing. Okay, actually I want to tell you people. So we can write this in a very simple way, that a and m belongs to the real numbers. Okay, a and m belongs to the a and m a and m belongs to the real number family. Real, oh sorry, again the spelling of real. To the real numbers the real numbers system. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is just about the generality. Okay, I told you before also, in mathematics or in any science subject, we always prefer the generality, and we always like to write the things in a general form. Okay, so this is basically this is the thing. Okay, exponent. Okay, or a power of numbers. So this is the thing. Okay, a raise power m, and I just write it a and m belong to the real number. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so dear student, we I think that you all people have introduced with the exponent. Okay, please study yourself it. Okay, I will share these lecture notes also, and please see these all thing in your home. Okay, so let me move to the little bit explanatory section. Okay, now okay. So dear student, please focus on the thing. I told you that A is what? A belongs to real number. And a real number include irrational number, rational number, whole number, natural number, or integers. Okay. So this can be anything. Okay. This can be anything. Okay. Anything means any number. So let move to the examples. Okay, now I am going to do the examples or the problem or question, what you will say. Okay, so in GD exam, like most of the question comes like this thing, like that. Okay, in GD exam, like most of the question like that. Okay, let me write this thing. Okay, 36, let's be power 2. Okay, so how will you deal this thing? Okay, how will you sorry again for this thing, this thing. Okay, and again I am moving to the previous section, that this m, you are seeing that this m can be anything. So don't be afraid of this thing, please. I am again, this is a very important point. You people will say that this is 1 by 2 and this is the fraction. Okay, this is the fraction and this is actually a rational number. 1 by 2 is a rational number and this is a fraction. Okay, so you will say that how this is the power and how this become the power, but it can be. Okay, but it can be, it's a very general rule for this. Okay, it can include it may include, it can include, it may be any number, any real number, and the main logic or trick is this. Okay, it can be any number. So this is also the power. So let me write here again, 36 power 1 by 2. Okay, this is the actually the A, and this is representing, sorry, I want to write the A. Okay, this thing actually representing A and this is representing M. Okay, this is representing M. So how will you do that? Okay, so please remember one thing. If you get the thing like this, the power in fraction, how will you, what is mean by this actually? What is mean by this? No, let me tell you this is the meaning of this. Okay, uh, if you get the number like this, and Atifa told us the meaning of this. Okay, yes, please, this thing. Okay, if you get the number like this is the whole number. What is 2? 2 is the whole number here. Okay, the exponent here is 2, whole number. And what is mean by actually this? What is the 3 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay, this means actually like that, 3 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. Now if we get the thing like this, which is 36 power 1 by 2, what is meant by this? Okay, so this actually means that the digits will be reversed. Okay, and let me write here the, okay, anything question. Yes, there are 15 minutes remaining for the class. So what actually mean by the fraction? Okay, this means that fraction power means that fraction power, this is actually, we can say fraction power means that, okay, the power is less than 1. Power is less than 1. Okay, it is not okay. Fraction power means that the power is not a whole number. Okay, power is not a whole number. So let's see how will you deal this thing, the thing like this. Okay, sorry, black pen. So this is a black pen. Okay, 36 and 102. How will we do that? So first of all, please listen. Please no open your ears and eyes. I am telling very important thing. Okay, this is 36, and now just think about 36. From where does the 36 comes? Okay, from where does the 36 come? 36 is actually the thing. 36 is, we know that the 36 is 36. We can think about that. We can, from our previous knowledge, we can know that 6 multiplied by 6 is 36, and we can write the 6 multiplied by 6 is 6 raised to the power 2. We can do this or not? Yes, we can do this like this. Okay, so I am just saying that 36 is equal to 36 means 6 raised to the power 2, and I will just replace this 36 by 6 raised to the power 2. Okay, and now I will put the bracket here, and this 1 by 2 will be remain outward. Okay, like this. So what will be the thing? Actually, it's a very interesting thing. Like now, okay, this will be a 6. Okay, and now these two multiplied, the power will be, this is the exponents. Okay, this is the exponents. Now exponent will be multiplied. Exponent will be multiplied because the bracket means multiplication. What is the thing here? This is a bracket, and this means multiplication. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So what will we get? 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is a 1. Okay, because this 2 will be cancelled with 2, and we will remain with this one. Now what is the thing? 6 will be remaining. And what is this mean? That 6 is this means that 36 1 over 2 means this is the 6. Okay, this is the your answer. Okay, this is the thing. This is a very simple questions. So I am writing a question for you, that I want you people to try this one. Let me write a question for you. So this was example number 1, and now I am writing the number 2. Okay, writing the So dear student, please try this one. Okay, 8 power 1 by 3. No, dear student, please don't write just answer. Write, explain it with explain it, and write it with step by step, and give us the explanation. Okay, because other student will also understand it. Okay. Yes, please do it quickly, because the time is the time is going. Yes, very good. And other student also, please try it. Okay, it can be wrong. Okay, no problem, it can be wrong, but please make it try, because I want to know that how much you people getting the things. Okay, you must do it. Okay. क्या बात है सर?
सर शमशेर अली खान.
Okay, very good. And there are total of I think 11 students, and we have got the now only, yes, very good. I think six students written the answer, but other students are not involving. Okay, Husna Mirzad, did you try it? Husna Mirzad. Okay, Husna Mirzad and let me write here the Najiba. Najiba, today you are not, I think, participating. Najiba, Husna Mirzad, and Oria, you people. Yes, yes. Can you? No, I don't. No, Husna, I cannot hear you. Yes, yes. Now open your. Okay, you can open your mic now. Okay, I'm hearing you. Okay, Najiba, Muslima, Husna, and Hadia, Donia, and Oria. You people, please try make the try and share your answer. Okay, I will rejoin again. Okay, Husna Mirza left the meeting. Send the answer. Okay, okay. So, dear student, very good. This is a very big thing. Sorry, Professor, I cannot open my microphone. Okay, no problem. Oria, no problem. If you cannot open your mic, you can also write your thing in the chat. Okay, there is option of the writing. Okay, you can write also. You can chat the things. Okay. So, dear student,
Sir, actually, I've sent my answer.
okay, okay, very good. Okay, I saw that. Okay, thank you. So, okay,
Teacher, should we solve this question?
yeah, yeah, yes. Okay, dear students, we are in the exponent section, and this is example number 2. Okay, and I think there are all of the students. I think there are all of the students solve this question, and or few are remaining, but they will also do it. So I appreciate your effort and very good for your work. So, dear student, very good. Actually, these questions are very easy, and we will move to the complex section further. Okay, how will you do that? Actually, first break the 8. Okay, and think about 8. Okay, break the 8 and think about the 8. So how will you think about it? We can think in our mind that 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2 is what? It is 8. We know that thing. Okay, now think about the 4. What is this? Actually, the 4 is the this thing. Okay, 4 is the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, and multiply this by 2. Okay, so dear student, tell me the number which don't have any power. This the here the power is by default is 1. Okay, so actually we can write this thing like this 2, and now these things are called the which are a. Okay, and these two are in multiplication. These two in multiplication and these two in multiplication. Now, if the two numbers are in multiplication, if the two numbers are same and they are in multiplication, then we will add their exponent. Okay, now listen again. If two numbers are same and they are in multiplication, then we will add their exponent. Okay, this is the rule of exponents, and we will study the rules about the exponent in the next class. Okay, don't worry, there are many rules of exponents which are very important. Okay, and we will tomorrow study that tomorrow. Okay, this is 2 plus 1, and we will get the 2 power 3. Now we can just write the replace 8 by 2 by 3. This is actually 8. Okay, now we can write this 8 1 by 3 is equals to the 2 3 and 1 by 3. Now this is the very obvious thing. 3 3 this will become dead, and we will get the 2. Okay, so this is actually the thing. Okay, this is all about the exponent. Okay, and these are okay, don't worry about this. It's a very simple things. Okay, so I think let me check my writing. Okay, my writing is not good. Okay, and I am sorry for that. Okay, actually I try to write in good, but maybe there is a problem in my pen tab, or right. Okay, so this student, where is the Atifa, how many minutes remaining? I think there are 5 minutes remaining.
Yes, 5 minutes.
Okay, and how many minutes we consumed the class?
2 minutes is left from the class, like. It is
Like,
experiment 58.
okay, actually I joined also. I joined 10 minutes later. Okay, so I think
Yeah.
okay. Okay, I think dear student, there are 50 minutes the class have done, and tell me if do you want to take attend the class 10 minutes class after that or not? Do you want to attend the class another class of 10 minutes now?